Hi, I'm Doc Haller. If you're like most people, you probably thought about investing in real estate, but you thought that buying commercial real estate was out of your reach. But you can. It is possible. In fact, it's easier to buy a commercial real estate property than it is to buy a house. What if I told you you could own a positive cash flowing 9-unit apartment building in 23 weeks or less? With my help, one of my mentees, JD, who was only 24 years old, had never bought a home, but was out of work, was able to buy a 9-unit apartment building that put over $1,773 into his bank account every month. You may be asking yourself, how is that possible? Well, it's because of the building's NOI. NOI stands for net operating income. It is simply the actual income minus the building operating expenses. The lender looks at the NOI to determine if there's enough money left over to pay their loan payment. Understand, you are not the primary source of repayment. The building's NOI is. The building's NOI stands in front of you. That's how and why you're going to be able to get your deal done. That's how important NOI is. Imagine how it would feel to be able to tell your friends, your family, and maybe even some naysayers that I own a 9-unit cash flowing apartment building, or I own a 2-story office building. You might ask yourself, how could I possibly do that? Well, just like JD and thousands of others have done, I'm going to teach you the real-world, street-smart way to become a commercial real estate owner. But first, I want to give you a gift. Why? Because the first step in entering into the exciting world of commercial real estate is to determine what type of commercial real estate you want to own. My book, Commercial Real Estate Demystified. You can become a commercial real estate owner. Normally sells on Amazon for $39.95. But for you, today, it's free. Why? Because I want to help you realize your dream of becoming a commercial real estate owner. Simply fill in your name and email address below, and I will instantly send you an email with a link to the download of my commercial real estate book for free. Included in that email will be a free downloadable copy of an article that I wrote for Growing Wealth magazine. In that article, you'll discover the 10 reasons to invest in commercial real estate. Most people are unaware just how simple it can be to realize their dreams. So as a special thank you, when you click on the link below, I've included a jam-packed 3-video mini course in which you will discover step by step just how easy it is to get started. This is also my gift to you. It's free. You owe it to yourself to take the first step toward realizing your dream of becoming a commercial real estate owner. Now is your time. Click the link. Take care.